So I ordered a HelloFresh box. Here it is. Got it with a discount, of course. Gonna give it a try, see how it goes. I can't even remember what I ordered. I got 3 meals. Can't even remember what it was. But anyway, can't open it up on my kitchen bench. It's an absolute mess. That's alright. We'll open up here. We'll see what we've got, because I can't even remember what I ordered. Oh, of course I'm opening it up with one hand. Not too hard, actually. I got a Denali one last week, but my batteries weren't charged for my camera, so I didn't record it. Anyway, we got a some Christmas thingo, some advertising. I think these are the recipe cards. I don't know, there's a bunch of paper stuff in here. Way more paper than the Denali box. Anyway, maybe that's why it's more expensive, because they print more paper and more flyers and chuck it in there. It's actually considerably more expensive than Denali. But one thing I like about HelloFresh, I've never actually ordered HelloFresh before. I've only ever seen mates and family order it. But one thing I like about HelloFresh is they put it into actual kits like this. Whereas Denali, they just put all the ingredients randomly into the box. Whereas this, they've got it labelled like, you know, meal kit 1, meal kit 2. Whereas the other one is just kind of, yeah, Denali is just literally everything is just chucked in the box separately, not in packaging. Anyway, I think this is cold packs, yeah? I think literally that's the food. Cold packs. Which is good, because, you know, if I was at work, normally I wouldn't be able to get all the stuff. Yeah, it's cold packs, you know. Oh no, there's a few things in here. We got some coleslaw. But yeah, no, it's good. Oh yeah, okay, so we've got the meal kits and they've got all the cold stuff in the cold section. What do we got? Some cheese. But yeah, it's good they deliver on a Saturday, because then I can just get it straight away. We got some chicken there. I think it cost me $35. That's with a discount though. I'm probably only going to order these. We've got some mustard mayonnaise there. Love a good bit of mustard. I think it was about $35. The Denali one, ginger lemongrass paste. I actually have that in the fridge, but anyway. Yeah, it's about $35. The Denali one was only like $28 or $29, including delivery, same as this one, garlic aioli. It's not bad. I mean, if you order it without discount codes, it's pretty expensive. I wouldn't bother. That's just a ice pack, I'm pretty sure. What do we got here? Beef mince. I've also got that in the freezer. That's alright. Like I said, I can't even remember what meals I ordered. I just kind of did it and let them. They ask you a few questions like, "Are you a vegetarian? Do you like eating this? Do you like eating that?" So I was like, they can just figure out what I like. Apparently, pork mince. And see how accurate they are. The Denali one was pretty good. They had burgers. I was going to review that, but like I said, my camera battery was dead. Creamy pesto dressing. I also had a pesto thing in the last box, Denali box. So anyway, that's that. There's only one cold pack. I'm surprised. The Denali one they had like 5, but the Denali box was bigger. And we got some garlic as well, which I have a shit ton of, but that's alright. And I'll save this box for something else. Anyway, can't even remember what I got. Does it tell you what's in the meal kit? It just says meal kit. I don't want to open them though. Alright, I'll open them up when I cook them, which will be very shortly. Does it tell you what's on the meal kit? No, it just says meal kit. Oh well, we'll see what we've got. Alright, first up's the old hamburger. Got the old patties frying in there. I got the buns in the oven. Got some pesto sauce stuff over here. Got the sweet potato fries. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, caramelised onion. Where's that at again? Can't remember. Oh yeah, here we go. Excuse the mess. I'm in the process of cleaning up, which is literally what I'm doing every day. But anyway, we got all the stuff, so let's bang it together. Alright, so we got the buns. Instead of toast them in the oven, I always toast them in the frying pan, but I'm just following instructions, so we'll do one for now, I'll keep one for lunch tomorrow. It says we've got to spread the pesto on the bottom, so I'll get a knife out for that. Spread the old pesto. I wonder if I can spread this. It doesn't seem like something I'll be able to spread. But you know, could be wrong. Oh, they make these things so hard to get into. I know people are going to be like, oh, you suck at opening things. I actually do suck at opening things. Because I never have fingernails. Because I chew my fingernails. I don't know why, I'm not a stressed person. I don't stress much in my life, but I chew my fingernails. Don't know why, never used to. Something I've started doing in the last couple of years. Who knows? Whoa! That one's a squirter. Alrighto, well, let's get a bit of that on there. I'll save some for my next burger, which I'll have for lunch. Oh, that's actually not bad. Anyway, spread that on there like you're supposed to do, apparently. There's quite a bit of it, so I might spread some on there too. Smells alright. Right, let's get the old burglar. The old burglar. Assemble the burger. Got the burger on there. Turn the fan off, I don't need that one anymore. Or this fan. Sorry mate, you done your job. Alright, and then next we got the caramelised onions, which I'm just going to do with my fingers because they're not hot anymore. So I'll chuck some onions on there, and some salad leaves. And that's it. And then there's a lot of salad leaves for 2 burgers. But anyway. And then crown the can. Crown the can. Oh. Super jam. Alright, Rory coming at you live from Bustleton once again. I've got my HelloFresh burger. What do they call it? They don't just call it cheeseburger. Hang on, I'm going to see what they called it. What did they call the burger? They give you these recipe cards. Cheesy beef burger and fries. So, for those of you who don't know what HelloFresh is, they give you a box and it has all the ingredients in it. They deliver it to your door and they give you recipe cards. So, depending on which one you buy, you might get 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 meals. Minimum they serve is 2 people, maximum I think is 4, maybe it's more, maybe it's 5. I'm one person, so I just buy a box for 2 people, 3 meals, and it gets me 6 meals, or sometimes more out of it. I've never actually used HelloFresh before, first time. I used Dinnerly a couple of weeks ago, and my camera batteries were dead, so I didn't film it. I wanted to. I got a burger then too, but I didn't film it, but anyway. So we got the cheesy beef burger. So they give you the meal, give you the recipe, they give you the ingredients, and you just follow it. And is it worth it? That's what I'm trying to find out. I don't know. I've never used HelloFresh before. You get a lot of discount deals. I got a coupon. I think it was 30. I can't remember exactly. $35, I think, for a box for 3 meals, which I'll probably get 6 meals out of it because it's made for 2 people. It's pretty good though. You get fries with this one. You didn't get fries with the Dinnerly burger. Dinnerly's a little bit cheaper, but they seem to be smaller sizes, and also Dinnerly expects you to provide a lot more things, whereas HelloFresh gives you basically everything. They want you to have a few pantry items, but Dinnerly wanted you to have most things, like onions and garlic, whereas HelloFresh basically provides you with everything. So anyway, without further ado, we'll give the beef burger a go. So it's got the bun, and I showed you guys assembling it. So it's got this bun, which is just like a normal soft sort of burger bun. It's got like pesto dressing. It says pesto dressing. I thought it would be an aioli, but it's pesto dressing. It's got the patty, which the patty's got meat, quite a lot of meat actually. They're quite generous with the amount of meat they gave you. Got 2 big patties out of the meat. So we got the meat, breadcrumbs, an egg, which I had to provide, and tomato and herb seasoning, and a bit of salt. So mix that together to make the patty. They got cheese, but my problem with the cheese is it was literally in a block, like a cubed block, and they wanted you to put it on top. So I had to like cube it, and then put it on like individual bits on top. Why don't you just give me slices like American cheese style and I just put that on top? Anyway, that's the cheese I got. And then the caramelized onion, so I cooked up the onion and then I had to, basically cook that for 5 minutes. Then put in a bit of brown sugar and a bit of vinegar, a bit of water, and cook that until it caramelized, went all sticky. And then the salad leaves, and that's it. So it smells really good actually. Let's give it a go. And if it's shit, well, it's my problem because I cooked it, but also they provided me with the stuff. But anyway, let's give it a go. Denley's, what's it called again? Cheesy beef burger. Let's go. That's actually really good. Like, the patty's really juicy. I mean, I know how to cook burger patties, but patty's really juicy. The cheese is really good. It was a smoky cheese. I haven't really had too many smoked cheeses. Not on burgers. Usually with, have it with dips and crackers. Not really, fivesies, but I've never really had it with a burger before, but I rate that. The pesto dressing is really nice. It's that sort of like pesto pasta style, but it's almost like an aioli, mayo-y kind of kick to it too. The caramelized onion, caramelized onion on a burger. Whoever invented that is absolute god. The bun's alright. I don't know why they wanted me to bake it in the oven. To be honest, I could have toasted it in the pan. I should have, but I just wanted to follow their instructions to the T to see how it's supposed to be, how every other person would experience it. And to be honest, I would have fried it. I would have, just toasted the bun in the frying pan with the burger juices, because that, it's supposed to soak up the burger juices. That's what you're supposed to do. But anyway, yeah, the bun's alright. It's just a white hamburger bun. There's no real flavour in it. The salad leaves are salad leaves. They're alright. They're fresh salad leaves, but there's no flavour to them. At least with the Dinnerly box, I wanted you to put a dressing over the leaves, but this is no dressing for the leaves. I think that's everything in the burger. So yeah, the burger's pretty good, apart from the bun. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they're big patties. I'm surprised how big they are. Anyway, we got the fries, which are sweet potato fries. I'm not a very good fry cutter. I sort of cut them into wedges and then cut the wedges into like little fries. But again, there's no seasoning. I would have put cumin and other things on it, but they just said bake the fries, so I did. They're pretty good. I like sweet potato fries. Yeah, they're good. I would even go as far to say they're better than normal fries, to be honest. Or chips. Why are we calling them fries? Is HelloFresh American? I mean, chips. The sweet potato chips. They're good. I rate them. Anyway, since now I've reviewed everything I was supposed to do, I was a bit naughty and fried up a piece of bacon because I totally put bacon in my burgers. So I'm going to try it with a piece of bacon in it to see if that elevates it anymore. Yep. Straight away, salty bacon flavour. Yep, good. But of course I don't put bacon in their burgers because it's an extra cost for them. What do I think overall? It's pretty good. Like I said, I paid about $35, I think, roughly for the box. So 2 burgers and 2 loads of fries for 2 people. Is about what? I can't do math. 12, just under 12 bucks, 11 bucks something. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, realistically, you could go down to the shops and buy everything for burgers and it would cost you a lot more than $11, but then you get more than 2 burgers out of it. But yeah, that's not bad. I'm rating that. My only issue is, like I said, the bun. The bun's just, not there really. And the salad leaves, yeah, they should put a dressing on it. But anyway, if you ever get this in a HelloFresh box, Take my advice, cook the bun in the frying pan, cook up some bacon, and put some dressing on the salad leaves. Also, an absolute god move, if you're someone who doesn't like water, or you don't drink much water, or you buy those shitty lemon water drinks from the shops that are like $3, $4. Literally, get yourself a lemon, cut it in half. It'll cost you like $2 for a bag of lemons from supermarket. Squeeze in about half of it, using your fingers to catch any of the pips. And then, yeah, enjoy. Oh, it's good. It just makes water so much better. And apparently there's rumours it's healthy for you, but no one's really done any research into it. But if you're buying shit from the shops all the time, like this has got no sugar in it. Literally, it's just lemon. And it makes it makes water taste so much better. You'll get more water into you, you'll be healthier, and you'll save yourself some money. So go on, buy a bag of lemons, squeeze it in your water, and thank me later. Alright, today on HelloFresh we've got quick crumbed chicken and mustard mayo. It was pretty quick, it took like 20 minutes. So yeah, the kitchen's pretty tidy as you can see. I had a rent inspection today, though it was tighter than this. This is just the mess after dinner. That's tidy for me, guys. This is like next level tidy for me. Anyway, we got the old chicken over here draining on the paper towel. I had to crumb it, so I had to put it in some egg, plain flour, salt and pepper, and then into breadcrumbs. As you can see, made schnitzel. They said to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, which I did, and it wasn't cooked, so I had to like chuck it back in and cook it longer. Come on, HelloFresh, don't give me bloody salmonella. And then we've got a salad mixture here with salad leaves, tomatoes, honey, vinegar, a bit of olive oil, and then there's a mayo. This thing here, it's like mustard mayo. So we'll give that a go. Yeah, I'll plate up and we'll go over there and have a feast.
Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.